Alright, we're gonna watch in horror as I try to implement some of these poorly designed hooks. And I only realized that they're poorly designed after watching some YouTube videos on how to properly design them. And I only figured that out after printing two of the fuckers. So what we're gonna try to do is we're gonna try to put this guy on top, and we're gonna watch as all of these guys freaking break as I try to put them on. So let's see if we can get. So that guy is set. That guy's got something underneath him. This guy is broken off because when I took the support off, it just fucking snapped off. It also didn't help that actually halfway up on these hooks, there was some really bad layer adhesion, probably from a Y-skip. You can see right there in the middle of that hook, there's like a indent. Yeah. We're going to try to see if we can get this one set as well. And look at that. He flew away. He fucking snapped off. I heard that little plastic piece land somewhere on the other side of my fucking apartment. Okay, let's see what we can do with this. All right, I'm gonna try to push this out a little bit as I snap it on. Oh, we got that one set. Now it's just up to these two. What are you willing to bet? Are they both gonna break, or is it just the left one, or just the right one? Let's see. Oh, another. Fucking did it, but there's an incredible amount of slop. It did it though. Yeah, Jesus. How much play is that? Is that a full millimeter? Looks like it. I only calculated a 0.5 millimeter tolerance, but it's like, nah. You're gonna tolerate a millimeter? We're gonna use the full millimeter. Fucking hell.